Okay guys, so I got you in here at the front fender. So what we're essentially going to do is we're going to take out this old yellowy blinker marker light indicator, and we're going to put this new one in here. Tinted, looks really good. It's got some LED boards in there. We're just going to put that in its place. It looks so much better. So this is the before shot, and here in a minute we'll show you the after. So what you do is you kind of get your fingernail under here, shove this to the back, pop it out, come right out. What you did, see this spring? I just pushed back against that spring and just got this little edge to come off of it. So then you get in here and you push this little clip, wiggle it, come right out. Set that aside. Now what I suggest you do is hit your fender a little bit of cleaning stuff. Take a soft rag, go ahead and clean around this because chances are it's not been cleaned in a really long time. And you're not going to have a chance again for a while. So clean that up. That'll look better. Now you take your new one, double check it, make sure everything's good. Got the spring in, got your little hook right there. Pop that in so it clicks. Boom. Then go ahead, compress the spring till it just clicks in place. There you go. There's the after. So before and after. Let me go turn it on, see how it looks. There you go, guys. Nice clean installation. And I love the tinted look. It looks so much better. I mean, it's so much more updated than this. So, all right, there you go. This is for the E60 BMW. I'm sure it's almost the same thing for several other variations. But man, what a cheap, nice, easy looking mod.